Okay, it's Saturday morning about 1 p.m. We got 2 inches of rain in the past 24 hours, and Strait River is flooding. So I'd like to check it out. We're gonna go down there, see how far we can go, check the flow. I don't know how far I'm gonna go, so not sure what all is in the water. I have my bibs on, and I'm gonna use my Pixel 8, which is rated for 1.5 meters submerged for up to 30 minutes. 1.5 meters it's pretty deep. I would say we're at a couple of feet now. 1.5 meter is about maybe 5 feet. Don't plan to get that deep. There's definitely flow. It isn't pulling very hard. It has never been that high since we moved over here. The river is beyond that shrub line and on the other side of the tree, and I'm probably now at probably 3 or so feet, and there's Cindy up there. I don't think I'm going to be able to sit on those benches. And as I get further away from shore, I'm starting to feel the flow. And here's the footbridge. The Cushman crossing over there. Don't see anybody else around. Not in the water, at least. Okay, up around the tree, the lesser flow. Yep, I'm on the walking path. Step off the walking path to stay by the tree. Off the walking path. The one bench is pretty much completely submerged. And I should hit the path here again. Oh, there it is. Just a tad bit higher. And like you can tell, there's a little bit of flow here. Should be on the path. Should be on the trail. I really was wondering where all the animals are. And one thing for sure, if I would be in Florida, I wouldn't be doing this. because there's going to be other kinds of animals here that I would rather not encounter. So yeah, I'm getting into probably 2 feet or less now, climbing up. And I'm on the wooden bridge now on Cushman Crossing. Let's see what the river looks like. Okay, dry land. This was dry land probably a week ago. And that's the river bank where those bushes are in the park that even the geese on the far end don't want to get into. Definitely high water. Definitely high water. What's on the other side? It is kind of crazy to see the river flow over the path. See that this is not slippery. And I'm off the bridge on the other side. I expected those houses to be at risk, but they are not. And here some of the path is actually dry. You can see the path going over there. Business as usual, but I know that on the other side of that turn there's gonna definitely be water. I was riding my bike over there the other day when this spot that I'm in right now was still dry. Wow. And on this side of the bike trail, all we see is river. That's where the bike trail is. Was. All right, starting to head back. And I'm gonna cut it off right now.